Hi, I'm Laura Melquist, and I'm at one of my beautiful listings out here in Jefferson, Colorado. We can hear the birds chirping and these beautiful mountain views on the deck. If you're looking for a mountain retreat, feel free to give me a call and I'll give you a private showing. Today, we're going to be going over what you need to do to get your home show ready in today's market. While we're still in a strong seller's market, there's a widening gap between homes that are ready for market and those that are not. If you want your home to be a winner on the open market, you'll have to get your home ready and make it most attractive to those buyers. It's proven that the more showings you have, the faster your home sells at the highest price. That's why I'm sharing today 3 ways you can get your home show ready and sold this summer. Right now, buyers' biggest concerns are higher interest rates as well as affordability. This means they're looking to put higher money down, whether that be through a rate buy down or a bigger down payment. If you're able to take care of repairs prior to listing, this is very attractive to buyers, and some of them may even pay a premium for this. Taking care of cosmetic repairs is important in a normal market. However, in a market with high interest rates, it's more important than ever to get these done beforehand. Another thing you can do is stage your property. Think about a model home. It's standardized, impersonal, and modernized. You want to try to get your home as close to this as possible prior to listing. Your home most likely has a lot of personal touches throughout. This could be furniture, family photos, or other knickknacks that are very personal to you. I recommend depersonalizing your home as much as possible. The buyer will then be able to walk through your home and really envision themselves living there. Next, you want to make a plan for your children and pets. Your showing probably won't go as well if your dog is running around and jumping on the prospective buyers. Although I'm a big fan of dogs and I absolutely would love that, not every buyer is like that. And that could be a very big turnoff for them where they just head out the door. What you can do is work with your real estate agent to block off some time on your showing schedule so that you can easily remove your pets or put them in a kennel. While moving your pets around can seem like a lot of work, it is worth it to keep your home in pristine condition and show ready for those buyers. So if you'd like a detailed showing plan or a list of repairs to make prior to listing your home this summer, please give me a call or email. I'd love to help you navigate the real estate market here in Colorado. And if not, I'll see you on the next one.